And welcome back to the channel. We're going to be doing a comparison video today between Armour Detail Supply Hero and Ethos Car Care Hybrid. They're both rinseless washes. They're both based on having SiO2 involved with the wash process. Armour Detail Supply, well, they both say it's more for lubrication, although Ethos, I'm getting conflicting things about whether there's leave something behind or not. If it is, it's pretty minimal, but both are great products. I've done video on both. It was requested that I test both these together because they seem to be similar technology. So we have a dusty Jeep that needs cleaned up here. And work on it rinseless style here and see which one of these products might be a little bit better. I have a feeling it's gonna be close, but we will find out and see who the better of the two is. Now, to begin with, Hero has that towards watermelon smell. Smells pretty darn good. You put it in your bucket, it's already mixed in there. Comes out kind of a pink color, but then it turns almost clear in the water. The Ethos Hybrid definitely is pink in the bottle. You can see it right there, but it also stays pink in liquid form. It has a fruity smell. I don't know how to quite identify it, but it doesn't smell bad. It smells pleasant. So mixed up 2 gallons of each one of these. So we have that 256-to-1 dilution, and we're gonna give them a go and see who is the better of the two. Stay tuned. All right, to start our testing, this driver's side is going to be the pilot side, not pilot, but the Hero side, Armour Detail Garage. And this side is gonna be the Ethos side. I'm gonna do the back end, the tailgate with the Ethos, and I'm gonna do the front end with the Hero. And we'll give it a go here and see how it goes. So I'm gonna start out with Hero. I've got a bottle filled with some Hero for pre-spraying. Don't want the detail police to get me for not pre-spraying. So just do a little misting on there, get that covered. Got our black sponge here. So it goes nice and smooth, like this one always is. So it always smells nice. So that's roughly about halfway. So we'll go to our other side, where the hybrid is. A little bottle with some hybrid on there. Miss that on there. Grab our sponge with that one. Try to be somewhat scientific, although we're not going to do everything exact, but I mean, we're just doing this for fun. Missed a spot there. See, the DIY detail coating we have on here is repelling this. Let's throw this back in here with our grit guard. So that's how they behave side by side here. So I'll do this side with the Hero and the other side with the Hybrid. So we'll join in on another section here in a little bit. Okay, so the next section we're going to work on is the front end using the Hero, and I've already pre-sprayed it. Take our sponge to it. Make sure we got it good in. See, the coating's repelling it. Since I have this coated, or I did the pre-spray, some of the pre-spray stuff ran off. One thing I do here recently with textured plastic grills and stuff like that, I've got one of these brushes. Originally they were sold by is it called Curveball? I did a video on these. You can also pick these up, I think, on Temu and AliExpress. But these brushes are nice for like these honeycomb grills, spaces that are harder to get into. or you can use them on interiors that cover a bigger area. You can see they produce a foam. So if you guys don't have one of these, they can be pretty handy. So I suggest you go and add that to as part of your equipment arsenal. And they're real nice for interiors, like if you're doing seats or bigger panels, you spray your interior cleaner on and you wipe them. A lot of times they'll create a lot of foam. But I've got like 3 of them now. I use one for interior, one for body panels, mostly grills and stuff like this, which is this one. So blue for body for my system. And then I have a red one I use. Sometimes I use it for wheel or tire shine. Sometimes I'll use it for wheels, clean intricate parts on wheels. So very, very versatile brushes when you get them. So we're gonna dry this off, then we're gonna continue down the side and check out the behavior here. And then we'll start on the Ethos side. All right, so since we're working on the shade on this side, I'm just doing all the panels here. And this here, I mean, it's pretty darn good stuff. Actually, I've not had a rinseless wash that I've tried that I've just hated. I mean, some of them cleaned a little better than others. Some of them definitely smell better than others, but they all work. So anyhow, here's this side. So we're working in the shade today because it's fall, which allowed me to just do the whole side. We'll dry that off, and then we'll switch over to the Ethos Hybrid and see what it looks like. Stay tuned. Okay, so we've done the back bumper area and the tailgate with the Ethos Hybrid, and similar story there. The back, these SUVs, the back of the vehicle gets pretty dirty, so there was quite a bit of dirt there. Took the brushes to the trim down there. I'm gonna go down the other side with the Ethos, and then we're gonna check and see who if one cleaned better than the other one. I know one smells better than the other one, but we'll get into that, and we'll see what it's like on the sides here. Okay, so we're doing the passenger side here with the Ethos Hybrid. What's going on? Pretty slick. So I'm just doing the whole side like I did the other one, since the weather's conducive for it. If we were had a sunny day going, or if it was hotter out, I'd be doing one panel at a time. So of course we pre-sprayed. So what's smart to do, and also the detail police don't yell at you. One of my videos, I did my pre-spraying off camera, and I was accused of not pre-spraying, and that's a big deal. so I always put that out there. I pre-sprayed. So you don't want the detail police coming at you. So here it is. Slick. I mean, similar slickness as the other side, which, these sponges make things feel slicker anyway. But we're gonna check on the cleaning power. I mean, it's really hard to tell when you're right at it, comparing the two. But what we can do though is, because both sides were equally dirty, seemed like, we can see what's left in the bucket, see what came off the sponges. Well, might not be scientific, but it's a way to evaluate how much stuff pulled off. So we'll finish drying off the side, and we will wrap it up. All right, guys, here we have the water that was from the Ethos Hybrid right here, and then we have the water from the Armour Detail Supply Hero over here. From looking what got pulled out of it, it's close. If I had to pick, looks like the Ethos Hybrid may have pulled some more off than what the Armour Detail Supply did, but it's close. As far as the cleaning process with this one, the only negative thing I had about it, and it wasn't a big deal, is it tended to want to dry, and when I was trying to dry the vehicle off and leave polymer spots, which they wiped off easy, but the Armour Detail Supply did not do that. So it was a little bit easier to operate in that regard. Either one of these is solid product. Like I said, it looks like the Ethos may have pulled some more dirt off than what the Armour did, but it's not that huge of a difference. If I were to pick one of these two just off cleaning, maybe this one off ease of use, probably this one by a little bit, because this didn't seem to on a spot on me. Smell department, this one's better, although this one's not bad either, but that watermelon smell, I think it is, that the Armour Detail Supply products have, it smells pretty darn good. They're very similar in price. And sound like from the, sounds like they use similar technology. So which one would I pick? It depends on what you're looking for. As far as just cleaning, probably this one. Ease of use, that one. But both good products. I'd recommend either one. All these Armour products I've tested have been good. Ethos, I'm still kind of new with them. I've got some other products I've been playing with. Like their spray detailer was good. Wasn't the best I ever used, but it was good. And their wheel cleaner, I'm going to do a comparison with their wheel cleaner against another one. So anyhow, there it is. It was asked for to compare these two because they're both ceramic based. Can't go wrong with either one. Probably the only way I'd pick one or the other one, if you needed it soon and one was cheaper than the other one. Like if one was on sale and you didn't want to wait on the other one. But I would buy either one of these again. Great products. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.